As most of you know, I live in Switzerland. Today, I would like to take you all around my kitchen. So let's get started. Kitchen is the most favorite part of the house as everyone's favorite is cooked from here. This kitchen is well equipped with glass top stove, a sink with hot and cold running water, dishwasher, oven and cabinets. In addition to what I have said, on the platform is a mixie and the kettle. Starting from the right is a 4-burner glass top stove with a touch panel. The right side buttons or the right side touch is for adjusting the right flame and the left side touch is adjusting the flame at the left side. Immediately below is a grill oven to bake cakes. I also keep the muffin molds inside when not in use and it is very easy to use. The first one is the mode setting, the second is a timer and third is for the temperature. The steel lining is the exhaust door chimney. When you slide it forward, it automatically turns on the exhaust and the light. Above is a small rack where I have stored some oils, sauces and vinegar. Side to my cooktop is oils I use regularly. On the microwave oven, I have the onion and the garlic baskets. Just below it are the cabinets. I have arranged the forks, knives, spoons, the wooden ladles and I have a post-it note on the side. Just in case I forget groceries, I write it there along with a pen. And I also have some chopsticks which I had brought from a sushi place after trying sushis. The second cabinet, I have some cookware like the regular pans. And the third cabinet, additional cookware along with mixie jars. In the cabinets above the microwave oven, I have the spice rack or the masalas I use every day, like the normal salt and everything. I generally try reusing the bottles of jam and olives that I get. I wash them and store spices in that too. Also just above it is where I place the nuts and tiffin items. In the cabinet adjacent to it, I have the ceramic plates, cups for dining. Just above it, I have placed the hand blender and the electric cooker and above it are the green tea packets. Adjacent cabinets, I have the cups and the regular drinking glasses. Above it, additional spices and beverages. And this is just like an overview where I have opened all the racks. Side to the glass top, I have an additional storage where I have stored other dry groceries. I generally store in packets and clip it. As I don't carry boxes since I travel regularly, I have space issues. So I just store it this way. It is a deep cabinet where I can store many things. And just below the sink area is the trash area. Beside the sink area are the dishwashing liquids and this is the dishwasher. I have loaded it fully. I am just turning it on. This kitchen is a modular kitchen from IKEA. Now that the dishwasher is fully loaded, let's come back tomorrow morning and check it. The best part about this kitchen is it has huge windows which has lot of ventilation. Opening the dishwasher. All the vessels are cleanly done and it is time to unload them. Just showing you how it looks after the clean. And on the side is a fridge, just opening it for you for a small glimpse. I normally use different oils for different cooking. In my kitchen I have olive oil, sunflower oil, gingerly oil, organic coconut oil and ghee made from butter available in grocery stores here. It is a kitchen cum dining area. So this side is the dining table. These are the heaters. This dining table comes with 4 chairs. And yeah, this is how my kitchen looks. I hope you enjoyed touring the kitchen with me. If yes, don't forget to subscribe.